Now, even though it was rumored that all the sensors aside from the main 108 megapixel sensor are going to be the 12 megapixel sensors, but reputed leaker Ice Universe is saying that that's not the case. The Galaxy S22 Ultra will come with 108 megapixel main camera, a 10 megapixel periscope camera with 10x optical zoom capabilities, another 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom capability, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. Even though the 108 megapixel camera sensor might not look anything different from the predecessor's one, it's actually an improved version of the existing 108 megapixel camera. He also said the sensor will provide even more details than the current 108 megapixel sensor. The camera sensor's exact specs look like this. Now, the phone will also likely have a Galaxy Note-like design, we have already seen that, with dedicated S Pen slot, which is great. At the back it will have water drop camera module design. At the front there is a 6.8-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED curvy panel with just a slight bit of chin, just very slightly, and a hefty 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging support. As for the processor, depending on where you live, you will either get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or Samsung's Exynos 2200 with AMD GPU. That will also be an exciting thing. Now, the launch is expected in February of 2022, and I can't really wait for that phone. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.